So this question here is asking, is the time complexity of this linked list class function O of 1, so constant time. And so we have a insert at head function, right? And I kind of drew a linked list up here to kind of see the process of it and to see what the time complexity is, right? And so we have a node out here, right? And it's currently pointing to no pointer. And we want to insert at head. So we'll just go to our head, our private variable, and we'll say, okay, so we're gonna point our node to head and then change that node to head, so that now this node right here is head, right? And so the reason that I kind of wanted to do that is because you can kind of see that we don't actually have to traverse the insert at head. You just have to pinpoint your head of your original linked list and then add it in from there. So we're not traversing, so it is constant time, so it's O of 1, so true.